Why say Kwasiano so he said Minta Akandoh. Right now, Ghana is in a position for to produce our own vaccines. We have a vaccine institute and what. Akandoh, you've only been in government for 4 months. And that vaccine thing was not an idea of NDC. And I remember, oh God, man, hear me say Ghana on. So Omo when you say Nkofo body trimutu say.
Ebusianfo Honorable Kwabena Minta Akandoh, MP, Osanso Health Minister. Now, or the Ensembia Betubia or Trese, Ghana sisi yenya factory a yebetimi produce yen vaccine. Now, Ensem we beto jano, and a Felix appear political zone, also Eddie Esi Kwabena Minta Akandoh no so, and your dear man left, right, center. When favored, Eddie na tem de more din. Felix appear no reason and say Abanda da led by His Excellency the former President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. SCC factories a project bebre. NDC fo a ene omo abemu abra no mo opposition no Ghana ha ye na ye hu bi o. Message. Ni NDC fo kire wo memu nyasem keto a ende. Sasemi ba na NPP fo a press conference a Ghana fo kasa NDC for no comment or moma and no press conference for 4 years and 1 minute be a press conference. One on a press conference since Sam Jenfi. One on a press conference since Sam George. Jata, why a pete and to me to data. Useless is a friend say ministry back on information your friend say ministry no I am useless because you to me to data wa have Ghana hanu me say Sam George and okuja tabla kwa mo no mo press conference yo mo ena feles apia chese NDC fu mo ewu chese na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo CC project NDC fu ma makwan na sa vaccine ye okuja friend say Akandoh AKA Danny Hall prefect when ya hu endorse ye nya factory eba be vaccine NPP aban no mo de buy nso NPP abandoned by NDC for cassette I say you say NDC that the NPP di baby enye enso when they gold board mo say gold board and na etumi sustain dollar no ama dollar rate ni zie no any cedi zie cedi na nya hoden no mo cassette ya gold for oil enso Dr. Bawumia ni policy on the buy na say Dr. Bawumia the gold for oil buy and I can NDC for but so woman this for 100 years good for oil no community me fasa policy name bada and so they good for oil no Dr. Bawumia na ni so adu ho de buy na so gold board sameje fi koda no ende or the gold e ko jo oil ba so mo ayi den so na dollar rate no mo ase akofe mo ani ye hu some friend say Felix apia tete na dwen dia mo yin tie se na 7 no esi e koi.
It is true Nana Addo boa John Mahama in his education. Monsieur Tumika Sesebio, Mahama dio to me top air flights. Akufo-Addo dio to me. Mahama to me fab business class. Akufo-Addo unko fa trotro. Mahama to me num a bomb vita. Akufo-Addo unko num. This is the nonsense you people did. Destroyed a Juma Nana Addo and they are not even ashamed. And Yama Nana Addo never unyabeye is the same thing you people are taking credit for. Last month, I said Kwasiano so he said Minta Akandoh. Right now, Ghana is in a position for to produce our own vaccines. We have a vaccine institute and what. Akandoh, you've only been in government for 4 months, and that vaccine thing was not an idea of NDC. And I remember, oh God, man, hear me say Ghana on. So Omo when you say Nkofo body trimutu say pay, cause almost say your mind. Woman no modi adwene bonation kofu tiri me kai samukaya corona ba ya yes e be yes vaccine institute you know me sremu Ghana for both NDC and MPP we dey mo mamu ndi no krama bonyame. What did Kwabena Minta Akandoh say? I say it is not true and not possible. Or the health committee so on any ranking member for NDC on health committee now or catch or catch Ghana for now say there is nothing like a vaccine institute that the Akufo-Addo government is building. Fast forward just 2 years. Just 2 years down the line, Kwabena Minta Akandoh stands in front of people and is telling people, say, Ghana now has a vaccine institute, so we can produce our own vaccine. The same vaccine money you claim a coup for an appointee say we the same money you were saying is Ajima Menu, honorable Ajima Menu, where we can tear fan Kotumena, was Siam Minta Akandoh, was Siam Penny Jimmy for Minta Akandoh, and no to me, Ghana has moved forward. Ghana now has a vaccine to be seen. I swear, no matter baby, Yame. Or Pebble when they are special on MPs for no, or more Mabaji positions, no, Yame Pebble Pomo, Damo Mako, Momartin, baby, and Sunka. Emre yeninka so yeni na ye tell my papa and can't tell me say aban a wo de ne ba ye no o mbo number o senkrofo adwuma wa bankrofo da dum so 4 years obi aba be pepa ne to pepa Ghana to e ma Ghana fa ne ntuma paka krefra uko ebruchira ya start rate Ghana o se moa ye beton do ba ku president to de kwasia na be ba be di president na aboa na wa ba mu twane. And now, Buana Muslim Open or no Wabba Mutan, and I'm moving say, moving shade. May sound no one we are. May sound no one we are, whether you are MPP or NDC. Se Munime Futua, Munime Futua se may be the Atemua. Monko can't kwa Siam Penny Kevin Taylor. Monko can't Jimmy for Sami Jenfi. Munko kanche kurasini Sam George. Munko kanche abuo kujata blockwa. Akwasidan pampo bi to say Abraham Minta Akandoh no. Munko tuo ofo. Say di atemu nye. Me mapa sa efutuo no. Utie mapa sa efutuo no. Mo fe say ye be fefe ye to amamo. No. Some say and say, die ni na ye be hwe mana say. Asia, when I came to power, you set a cabal and say, oh, Mama, dear Bakukra, a dear cry, ye no beer who and need the honor, which look or catch them for say, oh, bois. Which look or catch them for say, it's a lie. They are lying, hello. They are lying. There is nothing like a vaccine institute. There is nothing like this. You people said all these things. And then what by power? You are commissioning the same thing. The same thing this fool said was not true. The same project now. And this is what these are the products they are ushering out now to Ghanaians and say, Omo buy no, Omo be institute no, Moma minimum mako and this for. I'm on trying my catcher. We are a short one. We are 5 minutes warm up. Muti, me ho Tommy ba. Muti. Now I find ye be soldier. Who say me end this mobile power? And I'm catcher am say me mama kan mo budget here. Me choose no crop for here. Now must steady the way I am going to go. George and then when they are NDC for year. Because you start to make the argument and they say the dollar has reduced but prices of goods hasn't reduced. And guess what they have tried to do now? Now to social media for and this is what they are doing. Please don't get fooled with it. Why? Don't be fooled with it. This is what they are doing. No matter baby. Oh, document 10. You want to use